Hi, welcome to this video on my Arduino Mega2560 in combination with electronics on the breadboard. And last time I added another RLC circuit, that is the C of course, to the existing one, and right now I have LEDs here that work quite well because of the larger capacity of this one. Let me shift the camera a little bit. Because this capacitor is larger than this one, this LED dims faster than this one. I showed that also in the simulation last time, and now I want to try if this motor can be driven by that circuit, and if successful I want to see how this motor and fan responds in the same way as the LEDs do. So that is the focus of this episode at first. So let's see if I can construct a circuit in that way. With the LED replaced by this transistor and then some jump wires connected, jump wire to the minus and some wires to the motor, I'm going to try if it works anyway. So let's see if something works. And so far nothing works, which is understandable because a wire has gone again. Let me see if I can fix it quickly. This one, and here a wire is fixed, and now it should run. So let's try again. And then it is always nice if wires stay where they are. And this is a very nice result. Directly coupled to the RLC circuit. And what you noticed was a very quick start, but I expect it to get slower and slower. That doesn't happen yet. Now it's running quite a lot slower. And slower yet. So let's see. And this is some nice result. Because now it doesn't run anymore. So let's short circuit this capacitor. The potmeter completely turned down. And it slows down completely. Let's see. Well, not completely, because you obviously hear the buzz of the motor. And let's put it down. You see this LED burning, so it's not entirely down. But with this result, I want to try this motor as well. So let's put that one in. With the second motor in place, also the LED like this. Replaced by a combination of a transistor with the motor. Let's see how it all behaves. This is a little bit weird. Because the motor moved a very little bit. So let's check for the wires. Always an important part. I see no problems there. The LEDs burn. They're off now. Let's see what a short circuit does. Actually totally nothing. This one works, the other one doesn't at all. Which could mean that I have to replace that transistor. So, with everything else in place, let's just do that, replacing the transistor. The motor a little bit out of the way, although I doubt that this transistor is the culprit. You never know. And I break off one of the soldered points of the transistor, in this case the base. So I can't use this one, unfortunately. However, I can use this one for now, so the left side motor won't work, but I can at least test the right one. So whatever is causing it is not the transistor. So we'll put this one back in place here. This one goes back here. And I have to take care of all the good connections in the right holes. And let's try again. Again, the left one works. But why doesn't the right one work? That is kind of a mystery right now. The idea is good. That is proven by the Arduino motor. Unfortunately, the right one doesn't work yet. I'm not giving up on it, so let's investigate. Then I find something quite interesting. I removed the jump wire and put a LED in place, and look what happens. Let's see if I can reconstruct. And of course what happens, never repeats itself the same way. Let's help it a little bit, I hope. Nope. Because what happened was that this motor runs, and instead of this motor starting to run whenever I stop this one, the LED burns. And then I turn up the potmeter and the LED dims and the motor runs. So let's see if I can replay that. And right now nothing can be replayed because one of this LED is flaky. Yes. And if you watch closely, you can see the green LED I put in place here burn very, very slowly, very dim. So the problem is a little bit in the connections, but with a dim LED here, most certainly the motor won't run because it needs power. And now you see the LED burn and slowly dim. So it is an exchange, either one or that one. And that is a very interesting experiment because I expected both to run at the same time. It may be that the power delivered by the Arduino is not enough, both. Okay, and that is for the wiring. The wiring has to be reseated each time, which is not on the positive side. On the other side, this is a very nice experiment anyway, trying to run two motors on the RLC circuits, because I have two now. The transistor obviously is okay because otherwise the LED would not burn, but I hope to figure out how I can run both motors at the same time. In the meantime, that was the experiment I had in mind. For now, thank you for watching, and certainly to be continued for new nice experiments.